All right, if you look in our washing machine here, you'll notice that there's water here in the tub. And that tells me one of two things is probably going on. And that is our drain pump isn't working or our drain is clogged. Either way, we're going to get down to it, figure out what's going on. So if this ever happens to you, you'll know exactly what to do. Now, before working on any appliance, make certain that you unplug it before you begin. All right, I've got a shop vac here and I'm going to suck the water out of the tub. If you don't have a shop vac, you can always use a tiny pail to bail the water out. And then just take a towel to sop up the remaining water in the bottom of the tub. All right, I've got my tub completely drained here. What we have to do is we have to take off the front panel of our washing machine to access the drain and the pump. Let me show you how to do that. Now, typically, to remove the front panel of a washing machine, there's a bolt right here at the bottom, and there's one on the opposite side as well. All right, I'm going to remove this nut here. Now, you can use a slotted screwdriver because it allows for that, or you can use a socket like I'm using right here. That looks like it's about right. This is a 5/16. There we go. Now just repeat the process on the other side. Now that I have both fasteners removed, all I need to do now is lift up, take it off. Well, I can see already. Oh my goodness. What the problem is, look at that. Obviously some of this got sucked into the drain system. Wow. I had washed these seat cushions earlier in the week and the washing machine damaged the seat cushions and the stuffing came out. But I wasn't aware at the time that the stuffing had got lodged into the washing machine drain. And here's the thing, folks, it's more common than you would think. Sometimes a small garment, like a sock, can sometimes get lodged in the washing machine near the drain. So maybe you're wondering, well, how does that happen exactly? Let me show you how it occurs. All right, folks, I want you to notice here at the very top of the drum, there's an opening. And a lot of times, if you overload your washing machine, a sock or a very small garment can get caught up in this opening and then drop down inside the washing machine and get sucked into the drain, and that's what will clog it up. All right, we're looking at the very bottom of the washing machine here, and right here in the right-hand corner is our drain pump. That's what that is. You may not have the same configuration. Your drain pump may be located in the center. It may be located on the other side. The way you can always determine where your drain pump is you look for the drain lines. That's going to take you right to the pump. Now, either our drain lines are clogged, or our drain pump is clogged, or our drain pump just isn't operating. All right, I'm going to take some paper towels and I'm going to just put it right underneath our drain line there. Because when I untighten this, we're going to get quite a bit of residual water and I want to be able to sop that up. All right, let's loosen this nut up here to remove our drain line. Okay, I think that may be loose enough. Now let's just pull this off of here. Like I said, there'll probably be, quite a bit of water. Oh, but look what came out, folks. Look what came out. That tells me everything. All right, folks, the other thing I can see, look what we've got here. So I'm going to clean this pump out, and I believe that's going to take care of our problem. Wow, look at this, folks. Look. Can you see that? That all came out of that drain. And that obviously was the problem. So I'm just going to reattach it. I'm going to attach the both lines, and then we'll give it a go. Okay, I think it's pretty tight. That's on there pretty tight. Give it a tug. We're good to go. I'm going to reattach the last drain here. I'm going to put the cover back on, And then we're gonna try washing a load of clothes. I wanna bring something to your attention about your washing machine door here. And it's this tab on the right-hand side. You also have a tab here on the left-hand side as well. And these tabs, they act like hinges for your door, but they also help you line up the door when it's time to reinstall it, because they are not just on your washing machine that these little tabs here line up with. I'm gonna take some detergent. I'm gonna take these towels here that I used to sop up all that water on the floor. Now all we have to do is start this thing up. The power button. So let's just push the button, see what we got. All right, our load is finished washing. Let's open the lid and make certain that it has drained. And it is. Now folks, I gotta tell you, there's a reason why electricians, plumbers, painters, appliance technicians, they hate me. And it's because of this book here called the Homeowner Survival Guide. Because I'm saving you a lot of money, tons of it. In this book, you can read it or you can watch it, or both. Why? Because there's QR codes throughout the book that take you right to the repair, walk you through the repair. You know what? It's kind of like I'm standing right there with you, showing you exactly what you need to do to save a little bit of this money. Listen, I'm going to place a link in the description below, and I want you to check it out. This is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.